Assalamualaikum and good day, everyone. I'm Dr. Asma Alia Muhammad Bohari for BQS568 Sustainable Construction subject. In this video, we'll be talking about the industrialized building system process, procurement, and the challenges. Last week, in the previous video, we've been talking about types of the industrialized building system or IBS as categorized by Construction Industry Development Board Malaysia. There are 5 categories: precast concrete framing, panel and box, formwork system, metal framing system, prefabricated timber framing system, and the blockwork system. Many IBS project development in Malaysia are still based on the traditional design approach. Traditional design approach means that all design and the construction process will be conducted in sequential manner throughout the life cycle project. However, the traditional construction process has been widely criticized for its fragmented approach to the project delivery and its failure to form effective teams. This is called over-the-wall syndrome. The first process is known as the client brief. During the briefing process, the client will brief the architect to design the building based on the traditional method of the construction. The architect then will produce an architectural drawing design by gathering and analyzing the information and performing all the work necessary to design the project. From that information, the details, information, and documentation will be given to the engineers, structural and mechanical and electrical engineers to produce a necessary specification and drawing, and also to the quantity surveyor to estimate the cost and prepare the bills of quantities for the purpose of bidding and the contracting process. Contractor selection process is normally through a tendering process. During the main contractor selection process, the general practice is based on the most appropriate submission with the lowest cost for construction. All the documents will then be passed to the awarded contractor to begin the construction works. During the construction process, normally, then the traditional construction drawing is converted into the IBS standard. However, this process needs a good coordination on site between the IBS and manufacturers, suppliers, and for the on-site installation. Lastly is a project completion. Challenges on the current procurement for the IBS system. The first challenges is knowledge and understanding. Most of the private consultant team and the client were lack of knowledge and the concept in the IBS implementation due to they are not experienced in terms of knowledge and skills in the IBS design. Hence, it would affect the mechanical and electrical engineer. As a result, main contractor need to redesign and the drawing for the mismatched component and incorporated to solve the problems on site during the construction stage. Financial matters were one of the major challenges that faced by the main contractor. Contractor claimed that IBS was inexpensive because IBS system involved a high initial and setup cost. The contractors claimed that traditional method of payment in the IBS system also present barriers. The contractor have to find an excessive of a capital to pay the specialist or the manufacturer in a huge amount of payment in the beginning stage in order for the specialist or manufacturer to proceed with their IBS component order. Lack of early involvement. Traditional method only allows main contractor involved after tender stage. Thus, most contractors complain that design problems would occur in the construction stages. Therefore, early involvement of a contractor in design stage could lead to reduce the creating design that inefficient build, decreasing design rework. Lastly is a lack of integration and coordination has impact on the quality of design and produce and design outcome. Hence, IBS was a pre-planning and design system. Thus, all the IBS components should be checked early and perfect before constructing. So that's all for this week. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please drop your email to asmaalia@uitm.edu.